everyone, I am Coach Brenda, and today I want to talk to you about the scale. Nobody likes the scale, I know. What I want you to know though, as your coaches, we are going to ask you to get on the scale every once in a while, not every day. Please don't get on your scale every day. The reason we use the scale is because it is a tool. That's it. Just a tool to let us know where you're at and where you're moving to. And that number will go down as you work with us in these challenge groups. However, it's not the best tool. The best tool, in my opinion, is when you take your measurements with the measuring tapes, and when you have a particular outfit that maybe feels a little snug now, keep trying that thing on as you progress through the challenge, because you're gonna see how it loosens up and it feels real good and you're gonna be so happy. When you do take your measurements, we want you to get on the scale first thing in the morning, before you've had anything to eat, as natural as you can be. Just hop on, look at the number, write it down, put that scale away. I like to take it, throw it in the closet here, hide it in the bottom, and try to forget about it. I used to be the kind of person who got on the scale every single day. That's just torment, y'all. Don't do that. It'll go up, it'll go down, you'll feel good, and then it goes back up again. You're like, what happened? Don't let the scale rule your emotions. Let the way you are changing your life with your good food choices, your good exercise habits, your more water, being a part of this group, let those things influence how you feel about what you're doing, because it's your choices that are going to make you feel good, not the number on the scale, I promise. I'm going to share a little thing with you about my own personal experience. As I said before, I would get on the scale every single day, and it really did rule my emotions, and it's ridiculous. I mean, my number might go up 1 pound, and all of a sudden I'd look in the mirror and I'd have terrible thoughts about myself. Over 1 pound, are you kidding, right? You don't want to go through that. So the best thing is to put the scale away. Every single day, instead of getting on the scale, I want you to look at yourself in the mirror, eye to eye in the mirror, and say something positive to yourself. Think of yourself as your best friend. Would you say mean, awful things to your best friend? Hope not. Of course not, right? You would say positive, encouraging, kind, loving things. So I want you to think of a special affirmation that you can say to yourself every day. For me personally, one thing I use to get myself over that scale number and to not let it roll my emotions anymore is I would look in the mirror and I would say, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am making better choices every day, and I am blessed to be alive. That's just one. There's lots of different ones that you can play around with. Find something that means a little more to you, but say it every day. Even if you somehow wake up and you feel cranky, which I hope you don't, but it happens. When you do, still look in that mirror, say your positive affirmation, fake it until you believe it. And I am proof that there's going to be a time that comes where you really will believe it, and you're just going to feel strong and you're going to feel beautiful no matter what that scale says. Why? Because you are beautiful and you are strong just as you are right now. It doesn't mean we can't make healthier choices to change our bodies. We can still do that and love ourselves as we are, and that is the most important thing I want you to know.